When your portable air conditioner won't turn on, the first step is to systematically check the power supply components. We'll examine the power cord, electrical outlet, and LCDI plug to identify and resolve common issues. First, ensure the power cord is securely plugged into both the air conditioning unit and the electrical outlet. A loose connection at either end can prevent the unit from receiving power. Next, test the electrical outlet by plugging in another device, such as a lamp or phone charger. If the outlet isn't working, check your home's circuit breaker panel for tripped breakers. Carefully examine the entire length of the power cord for any signs of damage. Look for frayed wires, cracked insulation, or burn marks. A damaged cord must be replaced by a qualified technician or the manufacturer. Many portable air conditioners have an LCDI plug with test and reset buttons for safety. To test it, plug into a grounded outlet, press reset, then test. The circuit should trip, cutting power. Press reset again to restore power. If this doesn't work properly, the power cord needs replacement. Remember these important safety points. Always unplug the unit before inspection, replace damaged cords immediately, use only manufacturer-approved replacement parts, and test the LCDI plug before each use. These steps will help ensure safe operation of your portable air conditioner. If power cord checks are complete, the next step is examining fuses and performing reset procedures to restore your air conditioner's operation. Safety is critical when checking fuses. Always turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the outlet before beginning any fuse inspection or replacement. Locate the fuse compartment by consulting your owner's manual. Fuse locations vary by model, but they're typically found in an accessible panel or compartment on the unit. Compare your fuse to identify if it's blown. A good fuse appears intact, while a blown fuse shows visible damage, burn marks, or a broken filament. Signs include no power, ineffective cooling, or repeated tripping. Replace blown fuses with the exact same type and rating specified in your manual. If fuses continue to blow repeatedly, this indicates a serious electrical problem that requires professional diagnosis and repair. The basic manual reset involves turning off and unplugging the unit, waiting several minutes for internal components to discharge, then plugging it back in and powering on. Many units have dedicated reset buttons either on the control panel or remote control. Press and hold these buttons for the specified time to reset the unit's electronics. If the unit has tripped the circuit breaker, turn off the AC, flip the breaker off, wait 5 minutes, then flip it back on before restarting the air conditioner. These fuse and reset procedures address most power-related issues. Always prioritize safety, use correct replacement parts, and seek professional help for recurring problems.